Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the channel where we break down the best tech and gadgets to help make your everyday life easier. Today, we're reviewing the Eureka ReactiClean 410 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a lightweight and rechargeable stick vacuum built for hardwood floors, carpets, and tackling pet hair with ease. If you're in the market for a versatile and affordable cordless vacuum, this might just be the one for you. First off, let's talk about design. The ReactiClean 410 is built to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry from room to room or upstairs without strain. Cordless freedom means no tangled cords or outlet switching, just grab it, power on, and go. For small apartments or large homes alike, this mobility makes cleaning much more efficient. Performance-wise, Eureka has engineered this vacuum to handle both hardwood floors and carpets. With its powerful suction, you can quickly pick up crumbs, dust, and stubborn pet hair. If you've got furry friends at home, you'll appreciate how well it handles hair on furniture, rugs, and tight corners. One of the standout features here is its rechargeable battery, giving you reliable runtime to complete your cleaning sessions. No more rushing to finish before the battery dies. The ReactiClean 410 is designed for practical, everyday cleaning routines. Another benefit is its stick-to-handheld versatility. With just a quick adjustment, you can turn it into a portable handheld vacuum for cleaning furniture, stairs, car interiors, or any tricky spots your regular vacuum can't reach. This makes it a two-in-one solution, saving you from needing multiple devices. The ReactiClean 410 also includes washable filters, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. Instead of constantly buying replacements, you can easily clean the filters and keep your vacuum running at peak performance. Style matters too, and this vacuum's sleek black finish gives it a modern look that fits well in any home. It's compact enough to store in closets or corners without taking up much space, which is perfect for those who want performance without bulk. In summary, the Eureka Cordless ReactiClean 410 is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a budget-friendly, lightweight, and effective cordless vacuum. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or pet hair, this vacuum brings power, portability, and convenience all in one. Thanks for tuning into Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and check out the link in the description to grab your Eureka ReactiClean 410 today.